We all have the same 24 hours in a day. The question is, what do we do with it? When I talk to clients, a barrier for them is often, I don't have time. But have you had a chance to sit down and think about, where do I actually spend my time? Maybe you've heard the quote, show me your calendar and I'll show you your priorities. But what about the things that aren't on our calendar? Reports in 2024 say the average person spends 2.5 hours a day on social media and 3 hours a day watching TV. That is a lot of time. Today, let's do a time audit. Where are you spending your time throughout the day? The obvious things to start with are those meetings and appointments that you have, but what about those in-between moments? When you have some downtime where you could be getting things done. After you've written all of those things down, and you might do a couple days, we want to take a time to reflect. What are you noticing? Are the things that you're doing throughout the day moving you closer to your goals, personally and professionally, relationally, or are they moving you further away? Where can you automate some things to help you save time? Making time comes down to planning. Here's one example. Instead of going to the grocery store multiple times throughout the week, spend a few minutes planning what are your meals going to be throughout the week. Create a grocery list, and maybe you double batch one of those recipes to save you time prepping and cooking things for a dinner later in the week. Here are a few other ideas to help you save time so that you can make time for your health and your wellness. Eliminate distractions. One of my favorite things to do is put my phone on Do Not Disturb or Personal Focus. This saves those notifications that come up and can easily be distractions throughout the day. Another thing that you might want to do is organize your day based on your energy levels. I know that I'm most productive first thing in the morning, so whenever I can, I plan the most important things I have to do throughout the day in the morning. The next thing you might do is automate some tasks. Maybe you have some email templates, or you schedule your calendar and block out some time to do one thing, knock it out, and then move to the next thing. That way we avoid starting a few different projects and getting distracted and wasting time. If you don't make the time, you won't have the time. So think about the 5 pillars of health: nutrition, exercise, sleep, mindset, stress management, and social connection. How are you prioritizing and making time for those pillars in your health? What is one step you can take to prioritize one of those pillars? If you want your health to be a priority, you need to make it a priority.